નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Next, exercise 4.2 in question number 1. Classify the following curve, open and close. It means here given us some curves in question. Now you identify so which curve is the open curve and which curve is the closed curve. So first of all, what is the curve? Curve is means your pencil needles and draw a one figure. It's called one type of curve. So here is, so this one is, so which type of this curve? So it's called a open, then this one is open curve. Here is, this is figure, it means this one is the one type of curve but is not in open. Here is the closed, so it's called a closed curve. Then after, this one is also for the one type of curve, but in this one is starting point, this one is ending point. Starting point and ending point is different. In here is open, so it's called the open curve. Open curve. And then after, here is the one type of the curve, but here is starting point here and the ending point, both are same. Start and end, it means this one is closed, so it's called a closed curve. And the last one is also for the closed, so it's called also for the closed curve. So understand students how to identify the open curve and closed curve. Okay, now to the next questions. Draw a rough diagram is the open curve and closed curve. आप अपनी तरफ से कोई भी diagram draw कर सकते हो. Here is the open curve, some open curves figure, suppose, so this one is my open curve figure. Clear? And then after, suppose so this one is also for the open curve figure, right? Suppose make a one word, so this is also for the open curve. So this three is the open curve figure. आप अपनी तरफ से कोई भी figure draw कर सकते हो, लेकिन open curve. Then after the closed curve, so we are draw the closed curve. Suppose this one is, it is the one type of curve, but this one is closed. So it's called a closed curve figure. Then after, this one is curve but closed, so it's called a closed curve figure. आप भी इसी तरह से कोई भी closed curve figure ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. It's not compulsory कि जो यहाँ पे हुआ है वो भी आपको ड्रॉ करना है. Clear? Then after the question number 3, draw any polygon and shaded its interior. So first of all, the polygon is the made line segment. इस मीन्स आपको लाइन सेगमेंट का ही यूज करना है और एक ऐसा पॉलीगॉन ड्रॉ करना है. आप पॉलीगॉन अपनी तरह से कोई भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ एनी पॉलीगॉन एंड शेडेड इट्स इंटीरियर पार्ट. सो वी आर ड्रॉ so this is my polygon. Why? Because we are using only for the line segment, right? So in the shaded, it means this one is my interior. In this portions to interior portion, and the shaded, right? One more example is, suppose if you are doing right, so draw any triangle. So this one is the one type of polygon. And shaded in interior. Interior means this one is the interior portion. Now shaded in this portion. So this one is the triangle. Triangle is the one type of polygon. And shaded. So this one is the shaded is the interior portion. So this one is the question number 3rd answer. आप इस तरह से कोई भी polygon draw कर सकते हो. But keep in your mind, polygon is means draw a line segment. If you are draw in this type of, so this one is not a polygon. Why? Because here using your half circle. So this one is not a polygon. Understand? Clear? Next to the question number 4. Consider the given figure and answer the questions. Here is the given one type of figure. So it's called using only for the line segment. It means this one is polygon, one type of. And this figure, so is it curve? So this one is the curve? Yes. Pencil to needle and drawer when a rough sketch is called one type of curve. So this one is curve. Yes. This one is yes. Is it a curve? Now our second question, is it closed? Here, dear student, if here is closed curve. Here is the starting to here, then after here, and here. The starting point in this, ending point also for this. So this one is the closed curve. Yes. So is it closed? Yes. Is it closed? It means this one is the closed curve examples. So understands how to solve in these types of the questions. Now to the continued chapter number 4, exercise 4.3, the first questions. Name the angle in the given figure. Here is the given one figures, and name the angle of this figure. So first of all, dear students, how many angles in this figure? Total 4 angles, A, B, C and D. This means 4 angles name is here. Now how to write? So first of all, start, dear students. So first angles, to start here is the A, B and C. Here is the angle signs. Yes, here is the angle sign. It means in the L side is called the angle. So A, B and C. So write down first of all angle sign A, B and C. So this one is my first angles. Clear? Then after the second, so A to start, now to B to start. B, C, D. Here is B, C and D. So this one is also for the one type of angle sign. So write down angle B, C and D. So this one is my second angles. Then after the third one, here must be, now to start C. C, D, A. C, D, A. So this one is my third angle. And C, then after D, A, B. So write down the D, A, B. So this one is my fourth angle. So understand, students, what is the write down, how to write down angles? So in this angles B, in this angle C, in this angle is D, and in this angle is A. So total 4 angles. Clear? How to write? So this one is our angles questions. Now to the second questions. In the given diagram, name the points. Here is the given one diagrams and write down the points name. So the first one, interior, in the interior of angle DOE. So D, O and E. Here is D, O and E. This means interior. Interior means under ke part. D, O, E. Interior. This one is the interior portion. The interior portion only one point, and this point is A. So my first question answer is point A. So first question answer is means A. Answer is A. Then after B. In the exterior of angle EOF. So E is here, O and here is F. EOF. One more that is EOF. So this one is in the exterior. Exterior. This one is the interior portion. This one is the interior portion of angle EOF. Now the exterior. So this one is the exterior. Exterior point C. In this side also for the exterior A and D. C, A and D. So in this question answer C, A and D. So these 3 points is the exterior of angle EOF. Understand first and second? Okay. Now do the third. It means C. On EOF. So EOF. So this one is EOF. On is means open. So E point E is on, B is on, O is on and F is on. So total how many? Total 4 points on angle EOF. One more times, angle point E, point B, point E and point F. Total 4 points on angle EOF. Write down which are E, B, O and F. The total 4 points of angle EOF. So understands how to solve the question number 2? Clear? Now to the question number 3. In these questions, draw a rough diagram. 2 angles such that they have. It means आपको 2 angles draw करने. But उसमें कुछ conditions आपको दी गई. So first question's condition. 1 point in common. So first of all draw a 1 angles. So we are draw 1 angles. This is my angles, right? Give the name. Here is suppose A, B, and this one is C. So this one is my angles, right? But here is only for one angles, but we are right only how many angles? Two angles. Two angles. So first of all draw one more angles. Here is give the name. In this name here is D and here is E. So this one is my first angle and this one is my second angle. In this angle's name write down in this A, B, C. Second angle D, B, E. The two angle is given and only one point. So first of all dear student write out here A, B, E. This angle D, B, E. Right, second one angle D, B, E. A, B, C and D, B, E. In this one is only one point is common. B is common point. So my first questions figure in these types. Understands? Only one point is common. Only one point is common. And here is the two angles, two different angles. Here is A, B, C and second one is D, B, E, E. Okay? Now 2 points in common. So first of all we have draw a one figure. So this one is my angle figure. Name हम लोग बाद में देंगे. Here is the 2 point is common. So this one is my first angle and we have draw here second ones. Now to the give the name. Here is suppose P, O, Q and R. So dear student, here different is the how many angles? 2 angles. So this one is my our condition is the 2 angles. So this one is 2 angles. Second condition 2 point is common. So first of all write the first angles P, O, Q. They write down P, O, Q. Second one is suppose is Q, O, R. Write down Q, O, R. So dear students, here is O and Q, O and Q. So these 2 points are common in these 2 angles. Clear? So write down O and Q is common. O and Q. 2 point is common. So this one is 2 points is also for the common. O and Q. This one is 2 common. So my second figure is in this types. Understand? Clear? Next this is 3. Third one. In this third one is means 3 points in common. How many? 3 points. So first of all draw a one angle. Here is draw a one angle. Here is the 2 angle is given. Here is my first angle, this one is my second angle. Okay? Now name. Suppose here A, here is B, here is C and here is D. So dear students, in this types of the figure, but in this type how many figure, how many common points? Only 2. Here is first angle A, B, C, angle C, B, A. So C and B, 2 points is common. But in this question, how many? 3 points common. So don't worry. In this one is the common lines. This one is the common arms to both the angles. So don't worry. Here is the given point. And give the name E. It means A, B, C. A, B, C. So B, C means this one is the B, E, C. This one is the common of angle A, B, C. Same for the C, B, E. C, B, E आप लोगे तो उसमें भी E आ जाएगा. तो also for the C, B and E is the common point. So C, B and E is common. So understand 3 points, how to do a 3 points figure. Same for the fourth question. थर्ड में जिस तरह से किया वैसे ही फोर्थ में करना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप 2 एंगल्स ड्रॉ कर लो. यदि ये समझ में नया आया हो तो फिर से एक बार देख लो. First of all, this one is my 2 angles lines, right? Now do the, here is P, O, Q and R. Okay? Here is only for the O and Q common, but we are writing only how many points? 4 points. 4 points. Okay, so this one is the common in both the angle. So don't worry. Write down here S and here is T. So how many points? On, 2E, S and Q. The total 4 points हो गए कॉमन दोनों में. तो वही तो हमें करना है O, Q, T and S are common point of this figure. So this one is my angles, this one is also for the angles. So this one is the angles questions. Now understand how to solve. Okay, last question on ray, on common, one ray in common. It means आपको एक ही ray common करना है. Here is my first angle, this one is my second angle. Okay, M, N and P, here is O. So dear students, here is M, O, N. This one is my M, O, N. This one is my first angle and second angle is N, O, P. In these angles, here is starting point and this side is extend. So only one ray is common. It means O, N is common. So this one is the ray sign. O, N is common. So this one is my fifth question's figure. Understand how to solve the question number 3 in these types. Clear? Now to the next question.
Thank you for joining us.